Hey guys, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property Group at Treviso Bay, Naples, Florida. And today we're going to preview the Birkdale Terrace Condominium. This is the 2-bedroom floor plan from Lennar in the Terrace line of condos here at Treviso Bay. Let's go inside and take a look at this awesome unit. Lots of availability for these units, priced in the 220s and up. As we come in to the Birkdale, left-hand side, you're going to have your master bedroom here. Plenty big for a king-size suite like you see here. You're going to have carpet in the bedrooms as a standard item. Hurricane impact glass and doors will be part of the package as well. Now you've got one walk-in style closet right here in your master. Plenty big for storage. You also have directly across from us a smaller coat style closet. And then you have the master bath here with the commode, the single sink vanity, and then also you have your glass enclosed shower here. Notice also you have crown molding here in the master bath, also in the master bedroom as well. The crown molding is part of the base package here with Lennar. Coming out into the hallway again towards the entry, on the right side of the unit is your guest bath. You're going to have a singular vanity, the commode, and a combination tub shower here. And then just off the guest bath is the guest bedroom. Again, carpet in the bedrooms in this unit, tile in all the main areas. Nice sized bedroom again. Plenty big for a queen or king. Many folks will do the twin beds here as well. Part of the package here at Lennar is you're also going to get window coverings. You're going to get these 2-inch forward blinds as part of the package. You're going to have tile on the diagonal in all the main areas. Here in the Birkdale, you have the washer and dryer right here in the hallway. You do get a washer and dryer unit, as well as a full stainless appliance package in your condo. There's really not much to think about other than furnishings and getting your pots, pans, forks, spoons, plates, knives, those kind of things. The Birkdale opens up into a nice great room style design here. You've got quartz countertops, nice flat island. You can see you fit 3 chairs very comfortably here at the kitchen. White cabinetry, stainless appliance package. That's all inclusive. You have the recessed lighting towards the top. Then you've got this really nice sized dining space here, overlooking your view. And this all looks out right here onto your great room area from your kitchen. So it's a nice great room design. And then you have your exterior lanai. In this case, we're right on the water overlooking the lake and the preserve. Alright folks, so this is the Birkdale floor plan by Lennar. It's the newest update to their terrace condominiums, and this floor plan here you can get starting in the 220s and up with Lennar at Treviso Bay. You can contact me, Roberto Lee, at 239-671-4046. That's 239-671-4046. You can also email me, Roberto, at trevisobay@naples.com. Roberto at trevisobay@naples.com. Or you can visit my website, trevisobay@naples.com, for all the latest and greatest information about Treviso Bay, floor plans, etc. This is Roberto Lee. Folks, great to talk to you. We'll see you next time.